To get your typewriter effect, go to the effect menu and then search for text plus. Pick your text plus and drop it on your timeline. On the side of the inspector, you paste your text there and then you go down to where you make some adjustment downward. You keyframe it to where you want the text to come in. You also keyframe it where you want the text to go out. So now that you've keyframed it, now let's play and see how it goes from beginning now. You can see it comes in and then it stays. If you want the typewriter effect to come in and then at the same time animate backward, this is what you do. Here you keyframe it. Next, you keyframe where you want the effect to go back. So now let's play and see. So here we are. Good. Now you have your effect. See you. Thank you very much.